Here I have ZTE Blade 10 Prime, and today I'm going to show you how to set up this device. So first of all, you have to select your system language. Here you have the whole list of languages in which you can set up your device. I'll stay with English. Then you have to tap Start. Then you have an option to connect your SIM card, but you can skip this step for now and do this anytime later. And you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but if you don't have any opened Wi-Fi network around you can just skip this step and connect to the Wi-Fi later. Then you have to set up date and time. Then you have Google services. If you want them, you can leave them. If you don't want them, just disable them right now. Then you can set up your fingerprint, but you can skip this step and do this anytime later in settings. And at last, you have to agree with ZTE's privacy policy. And then you have to select your system navigation. You can navigate with the virtual navigation like an old man, like a real boomer, or you can just select gestures and step into future like me. Then tap all set. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.